Hello guys, welcome to Formulating Finance. In our channel, we discuss everything related to finance and also the practical aspects about how some of the concepts are applied in real life.
Hi everyone, welcome to Formulating Finance. Today in this video, we will be talking about Mindspace Business Park REIT IPO. First of all, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so you get instant notification about our new videos. I always say basics should be very clear. So if you are not aware about REITs, do check our video on REITs. I have thoroughly explained about REITs and how they work. And now coming on to Mindspace Business Park REITs. Let's first understand about the firm, its fundamentals and financial prospects. The best way to get to know about them is through their website and prospectus that they have filled with SEBI. All the information shared in this video is sourced either from the website or from the prospectus filled with SEBI. And we have shared both the links in description so you can check them out. First, let's visit the website. It has a beautiful landing page which has a tagline of Gateway to one of the largest Grade A office portfolios in India. Let's get to the portfolio directly to review what they say is true or not. Attractions are good amount of total leasable area and it mentions 170 plus tenants. To be exact, there are 172 tenants as per prospectus and have 53 completed buildings as of now. They have their offices in key commercial locations Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Pune, which are hubs for jobs and office parks. Another perk for investment. Variety of tenants are spread across various locations is an add-on for investors. They have a diverse tenant base which helps to maintain continuity and stability of income. Trustee of REIT is Access Trustee Service Limited, one of the trustworthy trustees. Ambi Constructions LLP, that is ACL, and Cape Trading LLP, that is CTL, are the sponsors of the Mindspace Business Park REITs. Both ACL and CTL form part of the K. Raheja corporate group. They have a reputed auditor as well, that is Deloitte Haskins and Sells LLP. All this information was from website. Some more highlights from the prospectus filled with SEBI. Starting with the portfolio. In terms of market value, they hold highest valued property in Mumbai, that is 38.9%, followed by Hyderabad, 38.3%, which is very close. And it is obvious as well due to high rates and more of opportunities in these cities. Also, they have committed occupancy of 92% of 23 million square feet area. The prospectus say our portfolio is located in Mumbai region, Hyderabad, Pune and Chennai, which are amongst the key office markets of India and accounted for approximately 58% of total grade A properties. To make it easy, if we have 100 grade A property, they own 58 of them, which itself is an interesting number. Number of tenants stands at 172 and each tenant contributes less than 7.7% of gross rentals. It derives 85% of rents from leading MNCs and 40% from Fortune 500 companies. Weighted average lease expiry is 5.8 years. Top 10 tenants have 8.2 million square feet area under them out of total available space of 29.5, which is 27% of total rental space, which is a decent number. Now, let's take a look at past financial performance. There has been a 22.73% increase in book value of assets, and book value stands at 1,12,224 million, and there was 20.63% increase in total income. Cash flow from operations decreased by 0.77% in financial year 20 and there was just 1% increase in profit before tax. But in the previous financial year, there was 13% increase in profit before tax. Debt equity ratio stands at 3 is to 1. Total assets to equity is 4.89 is to 1. If we compare the value of assets, fair value of assets is rupees 1,86,979 million and book value is 1,12,224 million. Compound annual growth rate for rent is 6.7%. Some of the financial projections by the management. Revenue from operations will go up by 55% in 2023. Total completed area will go up to 25.67 million square feet from 23.02 million square feet until 2023. NOI will go up by 59% until 2023 from current 13,487 million. Coming to IPO details. IPO opening date is July 27, 2020. IPO closing date is July 29, 2020. And price band is from floor, that is 274, and 275 is the cap, which comes as a discount of 14% to NAV. Minimum order quantity is 200 units and thereafter in multiples of 200. To apply for one application of Mindspace REIT IPO, you need 54,800 rupees, which is 274, that is the floor issue price, multiplied by 200, that is the minimum order quantity, comes at 54,800. And if units are allotted, it will be credited to your Demat account. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you got good knowledge about the Mindspace Business Park REIT and will help you in your analysis and to take the right decision. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance. Thank you all.